Hi guys, welcome back. So if you haven't watched part 1 of this video, make sure to watch it. And we are about to explore what is beyond this point. So follow along. Look at this hen and the chicks over there. I think they are trying to find worm for breakfast. So on this side, you can see that there are a lot of trees. Over there is the stable, I believe. There are some roosters over there and some goats. And this place is large enough to host a lot of livestock. So let's walk to the other side to see what they have. Follow along, guys. And this is the born and petting area. An image of the farmer woman and the farmer man. This is a sign for bike and stroller parking. There is a gazebo over there, and this is what I like about this park. There is a lot of gazebos. Look at those squirrels on the trees. That is the general store. I don't know what they sell over there, but right now it's closed. That's a smokehouse over there. And this is the Earhart Hall. And there is pollination going on over there. Plant nurture or plant growing process. So this is another gazebo, but I don't know what it is. So if you know what it is, you can let me know in the comment section. The floor looks beautiful too. This is another piece of equipment. I don't know what it is, but if you guys know, let me know. Let's see what's beyond this smokehouse. Wow, there's a stream over here. It flows all the way down to the lake. Look at this tree. It's really different from the other trees. It's like pieces of trees coming together to form a whole tree. That's nice. Another sign for alligators. There's a lot of signs of same kind as you walk the park. So follow along to the other side. The cat over there. So I'm going to take it right here. Let's see what's on that side. There you go, another gazebo. This one seems a little bit accessible if you have stroller. Way back. Where I was earlier is called the Grime Farm Village. And here I'm going towards the bridge. You guys remember the bridge that I was trying to reach from the part 1 of this video? I'm walking towards that bridge now. Over there is a walk-through cave and a play area, but it's not accessible at the moment because it's under construction. Here is the bridge I was trying to get to. And over there, you can rent a boat. Dogs are not allowed over there. But there is some part of the park that dogs are allowed. Walking to the boat rental area. These are information about the park. And that is the price list of the boat rental. This is where you purchase your ticket, and that is where you purchase your snacks. Sign about Earhart. We are about to go on this side to see the swan boats. This is a sign for the rental. Over there is a backpack where you can bring your dog. That's it for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep watching for more videos.